Hello guys, welcome back to Brainrot Evolution. So I'm going to play with my friends. Right now, they're online. So I should play. There it is. These two. Okay, let's wait for them to join.
Il sacro cabrospaghetti mistico.
I'm an old man. Why am I walking like Wiggles? There's a place for Wiggles. Oh my god. Okay, did you know I like relixes? Yeah, I like relixes. Wait a minute, what is this? Oh, I didn't know this. 2 thingies to collect. What? My god. And claim this. Easter event? Anything ready? 3! My god. 3! Golden Sahur chests. My god. Well, let's open these. No. Bruh, stupid thing next. Mwahaha. Icons. Good icon. Open 3. I said open. Bro. Let's see what do I get. I got a happy. Wow. Gifts. What? Bro, I'm going to follow you. Teamwork is the dream work. Bro, this stupid gorilla is still here. I will defeat him. Tripa, trapa, tralala. Tung, tung. Bro, it's defeated. I'm going to this stupid thingy. Mango. This is a big tooth. What are these? Never mind. Another one. Killing him in 3 shots. Gorilla, monkey. Bro, I'm already here.
Penguino, cocosino.
Pengo. Cocosino. It's him. I can do some of these. What about puppy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can 6-shot them. Oh my god. Thank you, see. I'm obviously. Oh. Please. Bro. Wait, what? 150? Okay, I will buy it. Out of stock. Bro, I don't even have $500 million. I only have 56 million. I guess wins. Pangosini, Cocosini. I guess that is his name. No, he's not in it. I think he is a Pangosini, Cocosini. Bro, that's not even that OP. Hey, bro. It's not OP, you call it. Ah! Fisted. What health? Not 15. I think this is a great one. Go.
Penguino, Cocosino.
Oh, it's Pango, we need Cocosino. Tung, sahur. Tung, sahur. Bro, can nothing. Pango, sini, Cocosini. I saved his life. Guys, do you know why is my voice so slowed down? Because I'm sick. Sick. Hey guys, didn't I post something? It was, should I make this video? Yeah, it was a train crashing video. So let's go on there and let's see how many trains we can crash and bridges. Hey, room, tapi I don't want it. Pango, see. Yes, we made it to the game. Let's destroy some bridges. Yeah. Hey. Bro, I just joined the next round. Teleport up. Let's see how many points I have. One. I cannot buy anything. What is a crowbar? Crowbar does nothing. There's an atomic bomb here. Dance is trending. Ah! What if one hit us? Ah! Train coming. Time. Italian Brainrot. An atomic bomb. Monkey. Woo! Bro died. Hey. Bro died and he's not respawning. But he could move. My God, look at the atomic bomb. Choop. Teleport. I made it to the other side, and I still see keyboard. Ah! Come on, boy. Mr. Frank, I cannot move. What can I buy from you? Can I buy from you? Lemon. What? I cannot see anything. Oh my God. No. Oh no. Okay guys, so I might to end this video. There is a big storm coming. The whole world is covered. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next. Okay. Bye guys. See you in the next video.